it's not, to me, it's not like, wow, so much better. It's not like that, but it is slightly better than the webcam. Thanks for tuning in to the Doing Stuff channel, where we do stuff. If you'd like to support the channel, hit that subscribe button. And any other love is greatly appreciated. If you're on Mac, you wouldn't use this process. This is for iPhone and PC computer. Any smartphone has a better camera typically than your typical built-in webcam or even the external webcams that you purchase, and which is what I've been using. And so what you're seeing now is the iPhone connected as my webcam. And so I'm just going to show you how to do that. There is a website called video.ninja. Create usable invites. Click on that. Then you want to click on generate invite link. You want to take your phone now and take a picture of this barcode here. So I didn't mean to actually take a picture. You can just point your camera at the barcode and a link will pop up for you to click on. And then the link will take you to the next step. And it asks for permission, you accept, and you take this link. So in Streamlabs, you're going to take that link and you're going to add it as a source, and you're going to use browser source. You double click that, add source. Then you're going to go to the settings for that source, and that's where you're going to put your link and the URL. Hit close, and then as you can see, we have Inception. Enjoy this little feature. Hopefully this gives you a little bit better quality on your videos. And until next time, thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support. See you on the flip side. Whoa, that's creepy. Wow. But then, stand by.